Capturing the most amount of solar energy with limited space at the lowest cost has always been a big problem, but not anymore. Introducing SunDrops, a patented fixed structure design that captures almost 100% of sunlight that falls in a determined area all year long. SunDrops is not a technological solution, it's a green design solution that maximizes solar energy collection. SunDrops of different sizes are strategically placed in an area, allowing the system to efficiently gather the sun rays. Why does it work? The trick is in the shadows. SunDrops reduces the amount of shadows on the ground or the other structures, capturing the most sunlight in the least area. In fact, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., no shadows fall on the SunDrops. Imagine cities where everybody shares the same light, or more efficient power plants, or just for your own needs. To learn more about SunDrops, visit us at www.sundrops.com.